Abafundi benyuvesi yaseGoli bavuke namhlanje ekseni bavala ngamathaya avuthayo emigwaqo esikhungweni sale nyuvesi ese-Auckland Park.
The calls are no different and are no novel calls from what students from 2015 have called for during fees must fall. What we are calling for is basically the clearance of historical debt. Students, prospective students who are coming in are being accepted one moment, you are no more accepted as a student.
eKapa iqeqebane labafundi libambe iqhaza kule mibhikisho. Abanye bathi abakwazi ukubhalisa yize bebexhaswa yiNSFAS.
uNSFAS undilindisile usathi my amount is still pending. Emva kokuba uminisa ethethile ndiyoyika nditshala i-21,000 yonke for unyaka ba mandithini mandifunde. Nangoku andikafumani incwadi kodwa ukuthi i-academic year seyiqalile kwezinye indawo.
Abafundi benyuvesi iRhodes eMakhanda nabo bebevale indlela engena kulesikhungo. Nabafundi beNelson Mandela University bathi le nyuvesi angeke ize ivulwe kuze kubhalise bonke abafundi. Bathi uhulumeni awukhombisi ukuthi uyabakhathalela abafundi.
The Department of Higher Education has taken very drastic decisions around the issue of funding of students, which shows to us that perhaps there is a level of carelessness towards students, that is, they are not taking students seriously. For an example, with NSFAS currently, the Department of Higher Education has not released the guidelines for the current academic year. This then means students are not able to register whom are first years, they are not able to have accommodation, they are not able to have allowances.
eNorthern Cape abafundi baxhasele emibhikisho ngokungalibhadi ezikhungweni zamakolishi kanye nenyuvesi iSolplaki. eBloemfontein abafundi benyuvesi yaseFree State, iCentral University of Technology kanye neMotheo TVET College bamashele ehhovisi likaNdunankulu wesifundazwe.
This university must put it out there. South Africa and the whole world must know that the University of the Free State disregards a poor student. So we're saying, of course, as much as we demonstrate here, we're going to engage them, we're going to ensure that our students come into the system and are absorbed. All those who are academically deserving but they are disadvantaged, they are not privileged enough, they have given an opportunity to register.
eNyuvesi yaseNorthwest abafundi bebebhikisha eMahikeng. Le nyuvesi ithi abafundi abangu 11,370 bayikoleda ngaphezu kwegidi ezili-190 zamarandi.
Our demand is free, quality, decolonized education, is the scraping off of historic debt, is that all those people who have graduated, they must be given their certificates. So we're not going to back down, we're going to continue.
No black child should be left behind. We deserve to be in institutions of higher learning. It is our right, we must learn.
Abafundi bathi bazoqhubeka nokubhikisha kuze kube bayaphendulwa kwabakufunayo.
Kudubuleke omunye futhi umfundi embhikishweni waseWits. Sixwayisa ababukela basheshe bazwele ngemfanekiso elandelayo.
Kusenjalo sekudubuleke umfundi emlenzeni ngesikhathi amaphoyisa edubula abafundi ngezinhlavu zenjeloba eBramfontein eGoli. Abafundi basenyuvesi iWits kanye nabasenyuvesi yaseGoli iUJ bayaqhubeka nombhikisho ophikisa nokukhishwa inyumbazana abafundi abakweletayo kulezikhungo. Basabise ngokuvala wonke amanyuvesi kulelizwe uma bengaphendulwa kwabakufunayo.
We told these universities, we told these TVET colleges, we told the higher learning institutions that we are going to close down this entire country. Nothing is going to operate on our watch. The universities and TVETs all over the country continue to exclude black and poor students from their universities.
Abafundi bavala umgwaqo M1 kwaMantse ukuhamba kwezimoto Sekuboshwe abafundi abaningana.
Let us be. Bathi wenzeni sana? Angazi, ngiyagijima bayangibopha. Why? I have the freedom of movement. I have the freedom of speech. I have the freedom to move however and wherever I want in this country. Just give me whatever I want.
Amaphoyisa bize indize nophephela emhlanje kuze izokwalekelela ukuzama ukuhlakaza abafundi ababhikishayo.